Hi, my name is Roger, I'm from Marmox, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Marmox shower base. The Marmox shower base is a pre-formed floor level panel. It can be cut to fit any size shower and it is ready to tile over. The installation process is really quick and easy. It usually takes 30 to 60 minutes, so let's get started.
Before you start, make sure that the floor area is flat, even and clean. Measure the Marmox hobs and cut to size. Install the hobs using MS-based silicone sealant. Make sure the hobs are level and square. Measure the distance to the sides from the centre. Cut the Marmox board to size using a standing knife or a handsaw. Make sure you place the shower base correctly. The side with preformed falls should be on top. Dry position the shower base to make sure it fits properly. Prepare the flexible tile adhesive. Use a flexible tile adhesive with 10mm notch trowel to fix the shower base to the floor. Place the shower base in position. Apply downward pressure on the shower base and check for level. Use the reinforcing tape and paper-based liquid waterproofing to reinforce the corners.
So there we have it. The Marmox shower base and hobs are done. Now it's time for your waterproofer to come and waterproof and then tiles.
Apply the waterproofing to the shower base, flange and walls.
So now that we've done the waterproofing, after you put your first layer, second layer, once the waterproofing is dry, you can do your tiles. Please feel free to check out our brochure with all the different shapes and sizes of our Marmox shower bases. If you have any questions about Marmox, need technical advice or training, please feel free to phone us or email us.